How to write a good Christian article. 1. Take some time to brainstorm your Christian article topic. Take a blank sheet of paper and list 10 topics that are related to the subject you want to write about. If you have a website you are promoting, what are the top 10 reasons someone might be interested in your website? What are the top 10 reasons someone might be interested in reading an article by you? 2. Create a great headline for your Christian article. The reader must be intrigued by your headline or title, or they will not read your article. It is far better to write one article that has a good headline/title and gets read than to write 10 articles that have lousy titles. Here are some suggestions: how to fill in the blank. Why you should fill in the blank. Why you should not fill in the blank. Don't ever fill in the blank. Top 8 reasons for fill in the blank. Those are just starters. You can brainstorm and come up with so many more good Christian article titles. 3. Organize your Christian article. Start with an introduction or summary. Take 1 to 3 sentences to state what you are going to write about. Sometimes it is actually easier to write this after you have written the article, especially if you are not very organized when you start out writing. List several key points about your topic. Expand on each of these, perhaps 2 to 5 sentences each. You can number these, put them in bullets, or put each idea in a separate paragraph. However you decide to do this, be sure and break the ideas down so the reader can easily see where each idea begins and ends. Give the reader ideas for implementing your several key points. Once again, you can use bullets or, in this case, sentences or brief paragraphs. Summarize your Christian article. This will be similar to the introduction, but perhaps more oriented towards telling the reader what to do next, such as learning more or getting started with whatever your article topic was. 4. Add a bio or resource section at the end of your article. Give a 1-sentence bio of yourself, perhaps where you live and your specialty or expertise, and then provide a link to your website. Most article directories will allow you to place a live link in this section. 5. Keep these important points in mind as you write your Christian article. Keep sentences short and concise. Get your point across in as few words as possible. Separate ideas, whether by numbering, bullets, or paragraphs. Your Christian article should be easy to read. Be sure your article is informative about your Christian topic. It should not read like one long sales pitch. 6. Get writing. Submit your Christian article to at least 2 article directories, the one in which you are reading this article, and my article directory, listed below in the author resource box.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.